With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question is given that if a, b and c vector are non-coplanar and non-zero vector, then value of this expression is equals to, okay. So you can see here this is a long expression, so what we'll do to make it more simpler, we'll break into three parts. This will be my first part, okay, a cross b cross a cross c, and second part will be b cross c and cross with b cross a, and third part will be this c cross a cross with c cross b. And you can see in middle I am having plus, so after finding the result of these three expressions, we'll add them, okay. So let's add first expression there here, okay. First part, that is a cross b vector, okay, crossword with a cross c vector, okay. So let me tell you a formula. Suppose I am having three vectors p, okay, cross with q and cross with vector r, okay. Suppose there are three vectors like this, so these three vectors can be represented as q vector dot product with p and r vector, okay, dot product here, okay, minus p vector dot product with q and r vector, like this, okay. This is the formula, we know this. So what we'll do here, suppose this vector, that is first segment here, this is a single vector. Suppose this is p, this is q, and this is r, okay. Break these vectors in the above formula, okay. So after breaking, what we'll get here middle vector, that is q vector, so here I will write a vector dot product with dot product of first and last. So dot product of first and last will be a cross b vector. This is my first vector, last vector is c vector, okay. So I will write it as like this, okay, minus first vector, that is a cross b vector, okay, its dot product with second and last, that will be here a dot c vector, okay, like this. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing. Suppose we are having p dot q cross r vector like this, okay. So we can write it as, in box we'll write p, q and r vector, okay. We know this formula, so we will use this concept here, okay. Let's see here, this is a vector outside the bracket, okay, a cross b dot with c, so we can use this property, okay. So I will write here a, b and c vector together inside the box like this, okay, minus, okay, we know that whenever a same vector is inside, like here I am having a cross b, and outside the bracket I am having dot product of this vector with a vector, okay. So whenever a vector, okay, is like this, cross product with other vector, and the same vector is present outside the bracket like this value is always 0. Let me tell you here, suppose I am having p dot p cross q, okay, this vector, so this value will be 0 because here p is inside the bracket, it is cross product with some other vector, and outside it is dot product, so it is always 0. So here I will automatically write 0 here. So first value segment, so value of first segment we got it as a vector multiplied with a, b and c vector inside box like this, okay. Now let me write this second expression here. So this is the second segment, okay. What we'll do here, we'll consider this as single vector p, this is another vector q, and suppose this is another vector r, okay. So we'll find the same value of this using the same property, like this process, okay, like we did here, okay. So we'll perform the same operation. So it will be equals to b vector dot product with b cross c vector, and here dot a vector, okay, and here I will write minus b cross c vector, okay, dot product with b dot a vector, like this, okay. So again we'll use the same identities here. I will write b vector first, okay, and this can be written as b c a vector together, okay, b c a vector together, and minus, again you can see here b vector is outside the bracket, okay, like this, and inside the bracket, and here I am having cross product with c, so this value will be again 0, so I'll write minus 0. So value of this segment we have calculated, second segment value, it is b vector, okay, bca, it can be written as abc, okay, it will not make any change. Now what is left, you can see, let's find the value of this third segment. Let me write the segment below. So now we need to find the value of this segment, okay. Again same process, p, this is q, and this is r, okay. So this value can be written as c vector dot product with c cross a vector dot b vector, like this, okay, and here I will write minus c cross a vector, okay, it is dot product with C dot B vector like this. Okay, so again you can see here C, it is cross product with A, and C it also outside the bracket, it is present also outside the bracket. Okay, so I will write this expression as C vector. Here I will write C A B vector inside the box and minus 0. Okay, so final value will be C vector. Here you can see C will come at the last position, so it will not change any sign. So A B C vector like this. Okay, now what I said in the beginning, we will add the value of all the three expressions. We have got the value of this, this and this. So let me write this whole value combined here. So as you can see, this whole expression, it is given to us in the question that we need to find the value of this expression. Okay, so first segment value we have calculated A vector and this box ABC. Second expression was B vector ABC, C vector inside the box ABC. Okay, so I have just put the value here. Okay, so if I'll take A B C vector inside the box as common, so what I'll get here, I'll get A vector plus B vector plus C vector like this. Okay, so let's match it with the option. 4 options are given to us here in the question. You can see this option 2, it is matching our answer, ABC vector inside the box, and we have taken common, so we got ABC vector in multiplication like this. You can see here. So this is the right answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.